guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look. Super easy, super quick, and super fast. I wanted to do a tutorial that was a little bit more sped up because the last tutorial I did was almost 20 minutes long, or at least 20 minutes long. So this tutorial is really going to be quick, and you know, I don't share with you my foundation routine or anything like that because you can see it in the other video, which I will have linked below, as well as my eyebrow routine and all that. I didn't feel like including it because what's the point when I already have a video that goes in depth about all of that. So that will be linked below if you missed that. And as far as this look, it's super easy. It can be an everyday look, and I think what makes the statement is the lashes. Having bold lashes with kind of a simple look can just make it bold. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please give it a big thumbs up if you do. Make sure to share it if you do enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you would like to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Thanks, guys.
Okay, so for this particular eye look, we're going to be using the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette, but first going in with Morphe's Eyelid Primer. I love this primer. My eyeshadows never crease when I use this, and long wearing and long lasting. So we're going to go in with the shade right there called Peanut Butter, and we're going to take it on a fluffy crease brush and blend this in and above the crease. And as I always say, we're going to take care to really blend this out. So for our lid color, we're going to be taking that shade called Caramel and packing this onto the lids. I love these eyeshadows, especially from this palette, because I feel like it's very limited fallout and it blends out really seamlessly and really effortlessly. So as you guys can tell, when you look at the palette, I've hit pan on a lot of the shades because I really love it. It's one of my favorites. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera and do my winged eyeliner, and I'm going to do my foundation. I will have a link below to where you can see an in-depth tutorial about that if you're interested. And now we're going to move on to concealing, highlighting, and contouring. So I'm just taking my Collab concealer. I got this at Sally Beauty, and it's in the shade Porcelain, the lightest shade. And I'm just going to conceal under my under eyes. And I'm going to also highlight like down the bridge of my nose. You guys are going to see me do all that. And when I contour, it's actually funny. I'm going to use a cream contour. I haven't really done cream contour in a while, but as of the last week, I've been really enjoying it because I forgot how like easy it blends and how natural it looks. So I've been really loving it. And I use the Anastasia contour. As you can tell, I hit pan on all the highlighting shades. I forget what brush this is, like where I got it from, but this is perfect for applying cream contour. So if you guys want like an in-depth cream contour tutorial, let me know in the comments below. I can do that. But for this tutorial, I just kind of sped it up. So everything from here on out is pretty easy to follow. You know, I'm just gonna blend out the concealer with my beauty blender, and then I will show you guys also like how I blend out the cream contour. So now I'm going to set my concealer with my baking powder in Banana by Makeup Revolution, just so nothing creases. And then while that bakes, we will go ahead and blend out the cream contour. So I'm taking Sigma's Kabuki brush, the flat top, to blend out the cream contour. When you're blending out cream contour, it's important to remember you're not trying to move the product, you're trying to blend it. We strategically placed it in certain areas of the face, and we don't want to move it, and I think that's something we forget when we're blending out cream contour. So you want to blend upwards. I think that's your best bet, and using a brush like this will really help it to kind of stay put, but to blend out. And now I'm just using a flat top brush to blend away the baking powder. And now we're going to highlight the face, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, one of my favorite highlighters. Taking the leftover baking powder, I'm just going to set my entire face with that. And then after that, I'm going to take my makeup setting spray. It's by Collab from Sally Beauty. It's a dewy finish, and I'm just going to set my makeup. And then once that's done, we're going to move on to lashes. I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes first, followed by my upper lashes. And the lashes I'm popping on are by Ardell, and they're the double up lashes in 203. To highlight under the brows, I'm going to be taking this shade in the palette called Coconut Cream, placing that right under the brows to highlight the brow bone. And moving on to the last part, which is the lips, I'm lining my lips with MAC's Lip Liner in Spice, and I'm going to slightly overline the top of my lip. If you guys want a tutorial on how to overline your lips, let me know in the comments below. I feel like it's kind of overdone, so you guys may not need a tutorial, but if you're interested, let me know in the comments below. It's pretty easy. Now for the lip color, I'm taking MAC's lipstick in Honey Love. It's a matte nude, and I absolutely love this shade. And then once that's done, this look is complete. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the tutorial. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Make sure to share on your social media if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And of course, guys, until the next time, I will see you guys very soon in my next video.